What sound does a doggy make, Alicia? What's a doggy sound? Good, good. How about a cow? What does a cow do? Maybe. How about an elephant? What does the elephant do? What's the elephant sound, Alicia? Hey, mommy, no cheating. Alicia. What's the Alicia? What's the elephant sound? Yeah. What's the cow sound now? You want to do that one? Remember how to do the cow? Yeah. Good. All right. So there you have it. You got the doggy, the cow, and the elephant. That's right. Anything else you want to tell everybody, Alicia? No? Okay. Say hi. Say hi. Hi.